This is a Mustang 2022. What we did, we ran the remote wire to the front because I don't like the part where it's running, staying on for 2 minutes, then shut off. And I mean, even though it's not any sound coming through it, but you know, like see this LA, I end up using a pack LPA-2.2, the line output converter. Usually called line out converter, it's a shorter term. LOC, you see it's staying on right there, but I'm not using the remote to turn on the amp. So as you can see, the amp's got no power, it's not lit up. That remote run it back to the front where the fuse is at. So have the keys turned on, the light is on right there. Go ahead and shut it off. So I'm gonna use this one, but I'm gonna try to figure out which side I'm gonna put. Okay, right now go ahead and turn the key on. Between these two right here, one of them is gonna be the one without the light. So we're gonna put on the if you're looking from the front, from the steering wheel, it's on the right hand side. See, this is light up right here. You don't want to put on that one. You want to put over here, so if anything happen or any fuse, any short, anything, it will pop this fuse instead of burn up something else. What I usually do, I cut it, make it thinner, and I'm gonna wrap this fuse right here and then twist it 1 or 2 times, and then I'm gonna put it on like that and ran the wire down where the power wire is at, right there, and just close it, and then make sure everything is not forgetting any tool and trying to end up closing the trunk. Trying to fix this up a little bit more.